These are contestants.
Hello there, my name is Zach.
My name is Lucas.
All right, the tournament started. Go. Okay, I'm gonna get my rod here rigged up with something tiny.
Okay, guys, the tournament has just started. Okay, guys, the tournament has just started. I am rigging up my rod. Okay. Okay, I'm the first one to get a line in the water. Oh wait, Zach was almost. Let's start off with the little green sunfish. Come on. Okay. I got a crappie jig rod here. I rigged up earlier. Oh, I'm getting a bite already. Oh, never mind, he bit my bobber. What the? Oops, little tangle. Oh, I'm getting fish. I'm getting fish already. Oh, he's coming right at the bank. I got one. Came off, darn it. I'm gonna throw it out a little.
Oh, no.
Whoa.
Both you got fish. Whoa. No. All right. Oh, dang. I'm up by 1 point. Oh my gosh. Oh, geez. Yeah. Oh, geez.
Hey, I can't. There's no help. I don't got pliers.
I need pliers.
Oh gosh. I need a fish. I need.
This one. Might have to bring my other rod over here.
Cast it out and set it out and just walk away, okay? And fish with your other pole, okay? All right, cast it out, Zach. Sit it down now. Sit down and grab your other pole and start throwing your jig around. Oh yeah, hang on. If you're gonna do that, you're gonna have to recast it. Look, I'm gonna help you. 1 point for Pearly. No one else has a point yet. I didn't get to see him. I didn't pay attention. I'll look at him when I catch one. Zachy, come over here and jig, okay? Jig. I'm making a desperate move. I need fish. I'm still filming, Zach.
Oh gosh.
I need a fish. I'm making a desperate move. Guys, I'm getting fish.
I'm moving spots. Spot, I caught the first fish. They're not biting over there anymore.
I got a fish though.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave it set.
Mess with this one. bluegill. I'm at 3. Jeez, that's a big one. The tournament has been going for an hour, a half hour and 5 minutes. Oh gosh, you're scared of big bluegill. Alright. I'm heading on the point. See if I can catch some bigger fish. Because I'm going to go after a bass, which will probably be a little too hard, but it's worth a shot. If I caught a bluegill, then I could probably catch a bass, but I'm not sure, and I'm sweating from walking. I'm over here. See if I can't catch something.
No, Zach, you were getting by.
Don't try and catch it.
They don't bite.
Then
Zach,
it's
stop
no
doing that.
It's no point.
Hey, Zach, stop moving your rod. I think you're getting bites.
I'm not doing that.
You're getting bites. Zach, give it slack.
Give it a little tug. Is there a fish on it?
Real, is that fish? Zachy,
No,
you have to give it slack like this. Look at me. Look, when you cast, give him a little bit of slack line. Don't reel at all. Just cast it and let it sit. Cast it, Zach, out there and let it sit. Get it slack. Open your barrel with it. Actually, don't reel at all. You don't want to reel. Well, I'm gonna gobble it. Stop it. Zach, look. See? Honestly, you might want to. I was thinking cast right up in here because there was a bluegill up there earlier. Remember when I was here yesterday? There was 6 bluegill up there.
Big fish besides that one bluegill.
You've only caught 2 fish. And I've caught 4.
Oh.
5. That's a bluegill.
It is?
No, that's a king sunfish. I touched him.
I don't know.
I touched him. Does that count?
I think you have to at least grab him.
You didn't say that in the beginning.
I know, but you have to not just literally touch it.
How about we have to take them out of the water to also be another count?
What do you mean, take him out of the water?
That it's on the ground. And
You have to touch it.
and it flipped all the way back.
You just have to touch it and at least grab it when you touch it. Darn it. Nothing's Come on. I'm awesome. Is the camera going?
Okay, guys, I caught a fish. Put him on a stringer. Okay. You probably don't. 6 points. 6 fish. I've only caught green sunfish so far. Two fish on the stringer. 7 points, guys. 3 fish on a stringer.
Okay. Come on. What'd you catch?
Well, you bring it over here, Zach. I got another bobber for you. Don't.
It just kind of like the bobber. It didn't like go up and down. It just like went side to side.
Oh, that's your weight. What was my stringer? Am I getting any bites, Pearly? My little red bobber?
Oh, you get bites.
You are?
Yeah.
Pearly, do you see my red bobber? It's by the fountain.
Yeah.
It's still there? Okay.
Oh.
Never mind, guys. I'm just going to sit here because I got to get ready for
You're
this.
having nibbles, but there's also bubbles.
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
Might have a turtle. Might have a fish.
Find a turtle and get it. Bet I think it's catfish the way it's hitting.
Yeah? Just gonna have to wait the line.
Where's my little rod? Okay.
No.
It went straight, my rod.
Oh, oh, oh! Oh, wait. Is it a turtle? Is it a fish? Let's find out. There's a bass trolling.
It's a fish. I just felt him. It's a little catfish. I bet.
Are you doing that?
No. Yeah. Oh, he's still hitting. Okay, I'm gonna hold this one.
Guys, this is the score. Lucas caught 12. I caught 5, and Zach caught 1, but he got snagged in a tree and he's at -2. So the winner of this year's fishing tournament, probably not the only one that we're gonna have, is Lucas.
I won Dollar General fishing rod.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
So
Bye.
bye.